Hello students, this is another part of the chapter Wet Wealth. So in the last video we have discussed about dams and the groundwater and the usefulness of tube wells, and what we have learned, we have learned that dams are the very important things. So dams we can, this is actually a huge wall. It builds across the wall, across the river, and dams are generally to control, they are controlling the water of the river. Okay, and just beside the river we make the reservoirs, to reservoirs. Why? Because these reservoirs are keeping the extra water of the rivers. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the dams are and reservoirs are usefulness. What are the usefulness of dams and reservoirs. So at the first we are going to discuss about water released from reservoirs is taken by specially dark canals to distant fields to water crops. So number one, what is written? It's written that as we have known that as it is known to you that reservoirs are people are making these reservoirs beside the wall, beside the dams, and when the extra water we get, and through this extra water that people are spreading the water everywhere. Spreading the water everywhere means in distant field crops. Okay, so that the crops can be grown. Okay, now number B, high dams help to produce electricity. Power stations are built near such dams. The water from the reservoirs is made to fall from a great height. It falls with great force onto an electricity producing machine called a turbine. India has several power projects of this type. See, I have also shown you this picture. This picture we will get in the page number 21. So this picture you see, this one you can very much, it's clearly visible. So you can see this is the dam. Okay, and here it is the reservoir. So now you can see as this is the dam, the water of the river, it can fall from a great height. Okay, when it falls from a great height, so there with the help of the machine which is called the turbine, with the help of this turbine machine we can make the electricity. We also can do this at the time if we go to the hilly regions, and in hilly regions we know that water are cascading, and this water are the water and water that means this water falls from a sometimes this water can fall from a great height, and when the water is falling from a great height, so we get the with the help of the turbine machine we also get the power supply, okay, or electricity. So here also with the help of this dam, as you see that it's the water is falling from a great height, so with the help of this turbine machine we also get the electricity. Okay. So now number C, reservoirs can be homes to birds. The reservoirs over the Satluj at Harike in Punjab is a bird sanctuary. Sanctuary is a meaning, it's, you know, that it's a place to for the different kinds of animals, birds, to restore them. Okay, to store, that means for their safety, or so this, there are so many places in India, and there are the reservoirs, okay, of like this dams. This can be the homes of many birds. Basically this you know that different kinds of birds from the Siberia at the time of winter season, they come to the India, and when they come to the India they go to many places, okay, and they want their homes, and these are the birds. When the birds come to this reservoir, they generally come to the reservoirs, and this water, when the water can be found, so when they come to these places, so it also can, they are making their homes over there. And just like this reservoirs, you know, we have Satluj river, and in Satluj river at Hurricane Punjab, it is also a bird sanctuary, because the birds are coming to this place and so many birds are also there. It's not only from the birds are coming from Siberia, it's also the birds in India. So many birds are there and they are making their homes over there. Next one, some people use the reservoirs for boating, water sports and picnic. Now, these reservoirs also it also changed into, it's not changed, it also a place for the for people to entertain themselves. Like people are coming to these places, they are using they are doing the water sports, they are doing the picnics, they are making they are doing boating. Okay, and these reservoirs are actually helping them to enjoy themselves. Okay, now so you can understand that these are the importance of rivers and the dams and the reservoirs. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the check dams. So what is this check dam? Dams, you know, this is a huge wall across, it is built across the river. Now what is this check dam? Small low dams called check dams. Small and low dams. These are also dams, but these are small and low dams, and these are called check dams. These are built over streams and dry river beds in many of the drier parts of India. Generally, we get to see these small dams and low kind of dams, not in all through the throughout the India. It's mainly we can see this type of dam, especially in drier part of India. Just like you can say this Rajasthan, Gujarat. Okay, so these are the very drier part of India, and we get to see this check dams over there.